Hello friends, welcome back to online math. So we have this problem right here to solve, and so this is 3m power m is equal to 3 power m plus 10. So how are we going to be solving this to ascertain the value of m that actually satisfies this problem? That is what we're going to be doing in this video. Okay, so what you just need to do is, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, and do what to hit the like button. And if you have any question, you can always drop it in the comment box and I will surely get back to you. And of course, if you are new to our channel, do what to hit the like button to subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that if we release new content, you will get a personalized notification. Of course, you go ahead and check it out. And of course, if you are also watching us on Facebook, do what to follow us on Facebook, like our videos, and also share it with your friends so that they will also get to enjoy this. And if you have any question, feel free to comment in the comment box and it will be attended to. Okay, so having said that, let us now dive into this video. The first thing I want to do is to divide through by this 3 right here so that I can be able to eliminate this 3 over here. Okay, so if I do that, the 3 is gone from the left hand side, so that I now have m power m is equal to, now using one of the rules of indices, which basically say that if you have, let's say, e power y divided by e power x, you can actually simplify this as e power y minus x. So simply put, they have the same base right here. You pick one base and then you subtract the powers, and that's what I've done right here. So we have the same base over here, so of course the power here is power 1, so I'm just going to subtract the powers, picking one base. If I do that, I'm just going to pick 1 3 over here, so put the power here m plus 10, and then I'll subtract this 1 over here. Okay, so that what I now have in the next line is m power m is equal to 3 power m, and then plus 10 minus 1 is actually equal to 9. Okay, so this is what I have right here. And then the next thing I want to do is actually to simplify this. And of course, you remember again that one of the rules of indices, which basically says that if you have, let's say, power y plus x, you can actually expand this to be a power y and then multiplied by a power x. Of course, when you have this, you can expand it to be this, and when you also have this, you can also simplify it to be this one. So since I have this it in this format, I will want to change it to multiplication, so that what I will have on the right hand side will now be 3 power m, and then multiplied by 3 power 9. Okay, so let me put this multiplication right here. So that's what I have, and then the next thing I want to do is to actually divide through by 3 power m. Okay, so 3 power m and then 3 power m right here. Okay, so these can actually cancel this, and then I'm going to simplify these since they have the same power right here. Of course, if you have, let's say, a power b and then of course c power b, you can simplify this to be a over c, and then of course both of them are having the same power. Okay, b. Of course, since they have the same power, you can evaluate the division and then giving them the same power. So that's what I'm going to do right here, so that I now have m is divided by 3 and all power m over here. Okay, and then of course the right hand side still remains 3 power 9. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to find a way to express the whole of this equation here, so that the left hand side looks in the same pattern as the right hand side. So what do I mean? If I have, let's say, power a right here to be equal to c power c, it is obvious that when we compare the two sides of the equation, that we can easily conclude that A is equal to C. So that is going to be the goal of our solving, so that we can be able to simplify this equation such that both sides of the equation is actually going to be looking in this format. Okay, so to achieve that, I am just going to multiply both sides by power 1 over 3. Okay, so I have m divided by 3, and then power 3, then multiply by 1 over 3. Okay, is equal to 3 power 9, and then multiply by 1 over 3. So that if I multiply this, the left hand side now changes to m power 3, and then power m times 1 is actually m divided by 3 over here. Okay, and of course is equal to, here 3 can divide itself, and then when it divides here I have to, so I now have 3 power 3. So you can see that we've been able to simplify this such that we now have this equation in this format over here. Okay, you can see that both parts of the equation is having the same pattern. So this basically implies that m divided by 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so which obviously, of course, it implies that our m, you can just do cross multiplication. M times 1 here is m, and of course is equal to 3 times 3 here, it's 9. And of course this is actually going to be the value of m, that when you put it in this equation right here, it is actually going to satisfy this equation we are solving. So our m is 9. So you can actually go ahead and check it out and let me have your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more updates, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.